Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're a DoorDash driver using Android Auto, you might be wondering how to get the Dasher app to appear on your car's screen for easier access while driving. It sounds convenient, and it is, but many drivers quickly realize that the Dasher app doesn't show up like regular music or navigation apps. That's because Android Auto only supports specific types of apps for safety reasons, which can make this process a bit confusing at first. Still, there are a few important settings and requirements you need to check to make sure everything is set up correctly on your phone. Understanding how this works will help you use your device more efficiently while staying focused on the road. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps you should follow to properly set up and access Dasher alongside Android Auto. Try these. Step 1. Install and update the Dasher app and Android Auto app to the latest version on your phone. Step 2. Connect your phone to your car using a USB cable or wireless Android Auto. Step 3. Open Android Auto settings on your phone and enable all required permissions. Step 4. Understand that Dasher will not appear as a direct app on Android Auto due to system limitations. Step 5. Keep the Dasher app running in the background on your phone while using Android Auto. Step 6. Use voice commands or phone notifications to manage orders while driving safely.